MIT Art Design and Technology University experienced its first convocation ceremony. Being the first convocation at MIT ADT University, the zeal among the students, parents and teachers was heartwarming to witness.
It's my privilege and honor to welcome you all to the first convocation of MIT ADT University, being solemnized in the Sant Jnaneshwar World Peace Prayer Hall and Library.
We at MIT Art Design and Technology University strive to create nation builders, leaders who would act for the wellness of mankind. The university makes efforts to provide higher education in the areas that are essential for the growth of nation and betterment of society.
Friends, and all the learned scholars, thinkers, philosophers, and the graduating students, I declare that this first historic convocation ceremony of MIT ADT University, Pune, India, now starts.
Chief Guest Honorable Shri Vinod Tawde, Minister of Higher and Technical Education, Government of Maharashtra, was felicitated at the hands of Dr. Vishwanath Karad. On this special occasion of the first convocation ceremony at MIT ADT University, Doctorate of Philosophy was awarded to Srimati Usha Mangeshkar, Shri Sudhakar Nadikarni and Shri Sanjay Katkar in their respective field of art, design and technology.
मेरा काम करने में मन लगता है, शांत बैठना मेरा स्वभाव नहीं है। मैंने जितना भी काम किया उससे मैं संतुष्ट हूँ। और सम्मान की ही बात करनी है तो आज मुझे जो पदवी प्रदान की है, ये मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ा पुरस्कार है।
Many people have attempted to define design, and if I give all those definitions, I am sure we'll end up with big confusion. One of the reasons that the word design has several meanings. Sometimes it is used as a substitute for a thing or an artifact, and at other times it is used as a process. The act of design, our own image of design varies from person to person.
At the same time, I would like to advise you all that real life education and evolution for you begins now. Challenges are always good as they make you progress by making you stronger. The more challenges you face, the more stronger you become.
Among 236 graduates, 11 students were awarded gold medals at the august hands of the dignitaries. Aishwarya Zunzar Rao from MITCOM, Ayushi Bias from MITCOM, Bipasha Mukherjee from Institute of Design, Karthik R from Manit, Sanchit Karthikeyan from Institute of Design, Sai Bhavani from Institute of Design, Richa Shetty from Institute of Design, Nikhil Dawar from Institute of Design, Pushkar Dhande from Institute of Design, Radha Vallabh Arora from Institute of Design, ABD Jay Kumar from Institute of Design.
Honorable President Sir, I present to you 5 students of MDes Animation Design, 2 students of MDes Film and Video Design, 33 students of MDes Graphic Design, 9 students of MDes Interior Space and Furniture Design, 3 students of MDes Retail and Exhibition Design, 15 students of MDes User Experience Design, 23 students of MDes Product Design and 9 students of MDes Transportation Design, all under the Faculty of Design, who have been examined and found qualified for the degree of Master of Design.
Honorable President Sir, I present to you 36 students of MTech Construction Management and 29 students of MBA Project Construction Management, both under the Faculty of Management and Leadership, who have been examined and found qualified for the degree of MTech Construction Management and MBA Project and Construction Management respectively.
I present to you 72 students of BSc Nautical Science under the Faculty of Maritime Studies who have been examined and found qualified for the degree of BSc Nautical Science.
I congratulate the 72 students of Bachelor of Science Nautical Science, 99 students of Master of Design, 8 specializations, 29 students of MBA and 36 students of MTech Construction who are graduating today. These pioneering graduates of MIT ADT University have done us proud by performing remarkably in their final examinations. 41% of the 236 students passing out today have earned distinction. 49% have earned first division, a record which speaks high of their academic caliber.
The student who has good qualities, who has good potentials, I think he should be given scope. And the student who have less qualities, we as a government should take his responsibility that he will be successful in his life, and that's the role of the government, which I think sincerely and seriously. आज कॉन्वोकेशन है, दीक्षांत समारंभ है. दीक्षांत doesn't mean शिक्षा का अंत. It is only Diksha given by Guru, Professor, Teacher stops here. Now you on your own have to proceed further.
Remember, friends, on this occasion when you are leaving the portals of this institution, of this ADT University, with the appropriate guidance, educating you, training you to understand your duty. Remember about the very duty which Swami Vivekananda had told the world. Your religion is nothing but to perform your duty. Duty toward the mother, the father, the family, the society, the nation and the whole world. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. One word.
Parents and students were cherishing these proud and happy moments of convocation. MIT Art, Design and Technology University congratulate all the graduates for their accomplishments and wish them a great successful journey ahead.